How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful January day, 2018, and we're at 15296 Pristine Circle in Radiant Lake. There is a little lake right behind there, and this is a larger lot, and this will be graveled with crushed rock. There's a shop back there. This is a just about a 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. With a bonus room that could be used as a 4th bedroom. So right away I'll just show you. Here's one of the bedrooms right off the front. You got some premium carpet. In case you're wondering, the landscaping will be done when weather permits in the front yard. You'll also notice a big mound of dirt in the backyard that will be taken care of, obviously. You get tile floors, granite countertops. Shower tub combo. Tall ceilings. Here's the other large bedroom here. And a walk-in closet. As you can see, there's a gas forced air unit in the crawl space, I believe. Nice wide hallway. And I'll come back to that. Let's see here. Nice kitchen. Tall vaulted ceiling. Fireplace. That's the stairs to the bonus room. Pantry.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See ya.
See you later. Have a good night.
You too. Some lights here. Really nice bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. Look at this tile, goes all the way to the ceiling. It was a nice touch. I hardly ever see that. Lots and lots of tile. There's another light there. It's just not on, but big old stand-up shower with plenty of shelves. Walk-in closet and attic access right above here. And a wet closet with the pocket door. Tall ceilings. This master has a door out to the patio. Large covered patio with can lights, and look at this shop. Oh, look at the mountain views, by the way. Yeah. Alright, no lighting just yet, but it's all pre-wired, ready to go. This mound of dirt will go, don't worry. And by the way, this property's all fenced off too. There's just no side gates yet. Construction is almost finished. Okay. Take you upstairs to the bonus room. And then I'll show you the garage. And then if you want to see more than that, you just call my cell phone and tell me to come show you. And my cell phone's listed below. Or you can call 208-964-0494. Here's that bonus room. There's a closet. And a bathroom. Powder room. No bath. Okay. One thing I really actually like about this kitchen, can't really tell, I guess, until you're here. Look at how much space you got here, and just how large that island is. It's very nice. Big, deep drawers, the soft shut hinges. And look at this, you can walk right in. To your pantry. Alright. Show you this garage now. Oh, look, got a drop sink in the laundry room and cabinets. You can also do a gas hookup on your dryer. We got extra storage back here. Extra coat closet. This garage is all finished off. Look at that. It's actually drywalled, painted, the whole thing. And I'm sorry, I mentioned the gas force here in the crawl space. It's actually in here. Just wanted to point out that there is a crawl space. But yeah, you got a gas forced air, and look at that, a tankless gas powered water heater, and plenty of touch-up paint. All right, and I'll show you, in case you just can't get enough. There's some closet space and some extra deep space here under the stairs. There's also the access to the crawl space right there. Alright. Once again, if you have any interest or any other questions, feel free to call me at 208-964-0494. Thank you very much.